Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to enable two active Bluetooth phones at the same time. So these vehicles have this option. You can have two different phones paired at the same time. You can use them at the same time. So this video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2021 to 2026. Now possibly it might apply to the older models as well from 2017 to 2021, but I know there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not sure when this option was actually enabled. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so here on the main screen you want to tap the vehicle, then you want to go down here until you reach phone and Bluetooth, and here you see enable two active phones. If you enable this, then you can connect two phones. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.